Thanks for checking out another clip of the Cashflow Contractor. We'd love to have you as a part of our audience. Click subscribe wherever you get your podcasts.
3 things you can be doing. Get an LLM, get Claude. You can
Okay, you just talked about an LLM. It's a large language module. It means get AI.
My biggest recommendation to every single person listening is get Claude. You can use whatever.
CLAUDE.ai.
We'll link to it in the show notes.
Yeah.
Get on it. Ask it, what can you do for me? This is who I am. This is what I do. What can you do for me? Let's get started. Yeah. Just have it guide you. Okay? When you use the LLM, be on the highest model possible until you start running into limits. This is something that you were doing.
Which one is that now? Opus?
Yep. So if you're on Claude, you were using Sonnet, which is like a medium tier, right?
No, I'm on
If you are skeptical about AI, get onto the highest level. I'm not saying payment. So you probably need to pay for $20 a month. Just do it. I'm spending thousands of dollars on AI every month. Okay. So spend 20. Go ahead and switch your model to Opus 4.6 or whatever the highest model is whenever you're listening to this episode. And start there, because you're likely not going to hit your usage limits. And the only reason why you should really go to a lower model is primarily for usage limits. There's some extra cases, but primarily because you don't want to hit your usage limits. And so I would start there. The next thing, I would get onto a transcription tool. All that means is something that is recording your conversations. There's a variety of ways this can happen. Okay? The easiest one for most people listening is going to be Granola. And it has an app on your phone. You can take a note and you just click record, and it records your in-person conversations. You can connect your phone number very easily in about 30 seconds. And once that's there, you go into Granola, you click the phone call button, all of your contacts pull up from your phone book, you choose your contact, you make the call, it records the call, but it does not record the audio, it just gets a transcript for you, okay? Then you can use it on your computer where it will record any sort of virtual meetings you're doing. Get onto a transcription service because most of your data is in your head, right? Then once you have the transcription service, the next step, and you don't have to do this one right away, but it will make it so much faster, is you need to start treating AI like an actual person. I don't mean that like you need to have a relationship with it, all this kind of stuff. What I mean is, when you delegate tasks, do you do it solely through text? Or are you jumping on the phone and telling your assistant or your foreman or whoever it is, hey, I need you to take care of this? Sure, sometimes you're firing off texts, but a lot of times it's easier for you to talk to your employees rather than email them or text them or whatever it is, right? Same concept. You need to be able to talk to the AI. And the best way to do that, there's features that allow you to do that, but the best way to do that is through a dictation tool. Wispr Flow is the one that I use. We'll link to it in the show notes. It is by far the best one, and it just works. But essentially, you hold a button, you talk, you let go, it puts into structured text. So instead of chatting with the AI with your fingers and typing and it taking forever, you just talk to it.
Yep.
That's where you end up wanting to go.
Thanks for checking out a clip from the Cashflow Contractor. We have full episodes where we go deep on topics that help you grow a construction business that runs without you, so you can have less stress, more time, more money. Now, we've got other videos, other clips, but if you want to check out the full episode for this clip, you can click wherever our editor put it. It might be here, it might be there, it might be over my face, I don't know. But thank you for checking us out. We'd love to have you as a part of our audience. So subscribe or check out a full episode wherever you get podcasts.